Tired of expensive SMS platforms? Let's build your own Twilio SMS Gateway in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Twilio.com and sign up for a free account. They usually offer a free trial with enough credit to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the phone number section and purchase a number. Choose a number that fits your needs, considering factors like location and capabilities. Next, you'll need to create an API endpoint to receive SMS messages. This typically involves setting up a web server using a language like Python, Node.js, or PHP. This endpoint will handle incoming SMS messages sent to your Twilio number. Now, it's time to use the Twilio API to send SMS messages. The API provides a simple way to send messages programmatically. Just use your Twilio account send and off token, which you can find on your dashboard. Essentially, when someone sends an SMS to your Twilio number, Twilio forwards it to your API endpoint. Your endpoint then processes the message and can respond accordingly. When you want to send an SMS, you send a request to Twilio's API, and Twilio delivers the message. And that's it. You've created your own SMS gateway. Using Twilio, this opens up a world of possibilities for custom SMS applications. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials.